Hello and welcome to the American Language Schools newscast. Here we go. On Monday, 1st November 2021, the American Language Schools witnessed a special reception for the Major Nagi Shehud, one of the hawks of Egyptian armed forces. The Directorate of Education in Montefiore Governorate organized an education seminar on the October victories at the American Language Schools campus. The American Language Schools hosted the Karate Championship all over the governorate, under the supervision of the governor of the Montefiore and the manager of Montefiore Educational Directorate. By God's grace, Ahmed Tariq Al-Farmawi, the middle school student in the American Language Schools, has been chosen as an emblem for the digital education system on the official website of the Ministry of Education. He has won first place all over the Republic in the ISEF competition for science and engineering for underage projects. Achievements in the field of school activities and sports. Female students who were qualified in the swimming championship all over Egypt. Nashwa Muhammad Abu Al-Nasr, Pratiya Rami Ramzi, Karma Muhammad Yusri, Lamar Shadi Allam, Minnatullah Muhammad Yusri. In the scientific field, within the framework of the American Language Schools, to develop the scientific thoughts of its students, it seeks to provide basic computer and programming courses for the children using various programs, courses of programming and web language, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, EV3, Mindstorm and Lego Post courses, Arduino and robot building courses, though the various workshops, courses to teach the basics of electronics and the advanced electronic kit, courses on developing smartphone applications and Android systems. In order to achieve this, the student Aslam Ahmed Hani participated in the Robot Finals, the innovation project for young people.
The student Ahmed Gamal Othman participated in the 14th Egyptian Olympiad in Informatics, which has been held at the Arab Academy for Science, Technology and Maritime Transport in Alexandria. And here are the details. On Monday, 1st November 2021, the American Language Schools witnessed the special reception for the Major Nagi Shehud, one of the hawks of the Egyptian Armed Forces, the guest of honor of the educational seminar entitled October's Victories and the Role in Facing the Challenges of Age and Implanting the Values of Loyalty, accompanied by Chancellor Tariq Mansour, expert on war strategies and national security. And in the presence of Mr. Hani Antar, the Deputy of the Ministry of Education in Montefiore, and Ms. Sana Draz, the Administrator and the Executive Affairs at the Directorate of Education in Montefiore, and Dr. Mahmoud Fawzi, Deputy of the Faculty of Education, Montefiore University. The guests of honor were welcomed by Dr. Adel Mustafa, the General Director of the schools, and Mr. Haitham Mamdouh, the Activities Deputy and the group of the American Language Schools, Sons and Daughters. On Monday, 25th October 2021, the American Language Schools hosted the Karate Championship all over the governorate. Under the supervision of the General Director of the Montefiore Educational Directorate, many schools from the all governorate have participated effectively. The championship activities lasted for 3 days.
And on 7 November 2021, the championship activities were held all over the governorate under the patronage of the Montefiore governor and the Deputy of the Ministry of the Education that lasted for a week. On Sunday, 7 November 2021, a group of the American Language School students participated in the conference for the school students, the Faculty of Education, Montefiore University, including Aslam Ahmed Hani, Yusuf Ahmed Hani, Omar Assam Farag, Ali Assam Farag, Muhammad Tamer Azam, Adam Ayman Allam, Omar Ayman Allam. The student Aslam Ahmed Hani Sola have held the second place all over the Republic in the Robot Final 9 in the innovative project for young people and has been qualified for the global final in China. Presented by Basmala Sharif, Lamar Shadi, Omar and Muhammad, prepared by Educational Media Team, Ms. Amir Ahmed, Ms. Hiba Rabia, Ms. Rana Khalid, translated by Ms. Samar Shaib, reading accuracy Mr. Nadir Sobhi, supervision Mr. Muhammad Nagib.